Everion am back. If you're a Google Pixel user and part of the Android Beta program, I've got some news for you. Google QPR2 Beta 3,3. And while it might not be the most feature-packed update we've ever seen, it brings a fix for a seriously annoying problem that many of you might have experienced. This update is available for Pixel 6 devices and newer, all the way up to the latest Pixel 10 series and even the Pixel Fold now. Before you get too excited about new features, let's manage expectations. Google's main goal with this release is stability, not new toys. In fact, the update is still on the October 2025 security patch, which tells us their focus is laser sharp on one thing: squashing bugs. So, what's the big deal? Well, this update, known as build number BP41.250916, 015 for the Pixel 6 series and a slightly different one for newer models, finally addresses a major lock screen freeze bug. Have you ever picked up your phone, tried to wake it, and found it completely frozen and unresponsive? Yeah, that one. The one where the only solution was to force a restart. It's been a huge source of frustration, and according to the official changelog, this update specifically targets and resolves that issue. This is exactly what we expect from a QPR or quarterly platform release beta. These updates are all about fine-tuning and polishing the software before it goes out to everyone in a stable public release. We saw similar bug-fixing efforts in earlier betas, like Beta 3.1, which tackled some nasty boot loop issues. So, it's great to see Google continuing to prioritize a smooth and reliable user experience. If you're already enrolled in the Android Beta program, you should see this update pop up as an over-the-air notification soon. If you're feeling impatient, you can always head into your phone's settings, go to System, and then Software Update to manually check for it. The rollout is gradual, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. For those of you who aren't in the beta program but have been suffering from this lock screen freeze, this might be a good time to consider joining. The sign-up process on Google's beta site is pretty straightforward. Justement B, beta software still technically a work in progress. So while this update fixes a major bug, there's always a small chance of encountering other minor quirks. So, what does this all mean for the future? This small but crucial update brings us one step closer to the final, stable release of the next big Android update, which we're expecting to land later this year, possibly around December. By ironing out these critical bugs now, Google is paving the way for a much smoother experience for millions of Pixel users worldwide. Even though it's not a flashy update, fixing a bug that forces you to restart your phone is a huge quality of life improvement. If you've been dealing with random freezes or slowdowns, installing Beta 3 Pixel feel noticeably more reliable. That's all for this quick update. Are you excited about this fix? Have you experienced the lock screen freeze yourself? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news, and I'll catch you in the next one.